Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right now by powering down and unplugging the machine. Ground yourself to prevent static damage. Once done, remove the case panel and disconnect cooler cables so you can unmount the heatsink. You'll loosen screws or release clips, then lift the cooler straight up to avoid spreading paste. Make sure to set the cooler on a clean, static-safe surface and have isopropyl alcohol and lint-free wipes within reach before you continue. Now you'll remove the bulk paste. Apply alcohol to a wipe, then gently dissolve the compound in small circular motions, moving outward from the center. Once the thick layer is gone, switch to a fresh wipe and repeat until no residue remains. You should never use metal tools on the die or pins. Instead, rely on dissolved paste and gentle pressure. After cleaning, let the socket and CPU dry for a minute to ensure all alcohol evaporates before reassembly. Finally, apply a fresh, appropriate amount of thermal paste, typically a pea size or 1/4 line depending on CPU, and place the cooler back down straight and even. Tighten mounting hardware in a cross pattern to distribute pressure, reconnect fan headers, and boot the system while monitoring idle temperatures. If temperatures are higher than expected, make sure the cooler is seated correctly and paste coverage is even. You may need to repeat cleaning and reapply paste if hot spots persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.